Animals and humans have always shared a close relationship, so they may be apart for a long time, but their feelings will remain unchanged. Here are some touching moments when animals are reunited with their owners. After over a year, his previous owner came to visit. He got her through her darkest times and had to sell unexpectedly. So amazing. He knows that she needed a hug and let her for as long as he needed.
Hi, baby. I'm so sorry. I haven't seen you so long. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Oh, I love you so much. Hey, Winnie. Oh,
Betsy was a wild deer living in the city cemetery. A woman often brought her food, but because of work, it had been a long time since they saw each other. This man was worried that his daughter's deaf dog Bitsy wouldn't recognize him after more than a year separated due to quarantine. But everything that happened made him extremely emotional. Kevin Adkins had one last wish, and that was to see his horse. Kevin's daughter, Delaney, made sure that happened. This touching meeting was also his last goodbye to his horse. This parrot had only been away from the owner for nearly a day, but he made me feel like they'd been apart for a long time. He was constantly asking for cuddles and attention from the man.
You're so much bigger. Oh, you're so much bigger. You're so much bigger. You're so much bigger.
This poor kitty was found by a family and immediately taken to the vet for a checkup. The doctor found out that he was 14 years old and was lost from his family nearly 4 months ago. His family drove more than 60 hours from California to Nashville to bring him home. Duke, the dog, went missing on Christmas Eve. After 2 years later, thanks to the chip, Duke's family could find him. This was their reunion.
Oh, he's wagging his tail. Oh my gosh, he remembers you.
Oh man, I'm telling you, he does.
Oh, how sweet is that?
A guy once looked after this bird after she fell from her mother's nest. After being rescued, the bird could learn to fly and have a normal life. But she never forgot her rescuer and kept coming back to visit the man. After a long time, this man came home to see his beloved dog. The dog kept waiting for him at the door and jumped when he saw him.
How did you know? You must have my heard you.
You knew.
You knew. You knew. You knew. Look at him. Who's here?
Zeus was kept in the shelter for 8 months. After the long time, his previous owner found and took him out of the rescue station. You could see how happy he was. There is nothing happier than watching human being reunited with their pet. Watching this, I never thought it was the puppy's first meeting with his new family. He was happily rushing towards his owner, as if he had chosen this new family. JJ the Border Collie went missing in the Boundary Waters Canoe Wilderness in northeastern Minnesota. This is the reunion of JJ and his owner after 2 weeks.
Oh. What do you think, JJ?
Oh my God.
What do you think, JJ?
Oh my God. Oh.
You are a crazy dog. Is what you are. Hey, buddy. What do you think? Come here. Come here. Look at that. Yeah.
Tony's favorite dog, Archer, had gone missing along the Kokihiwa Highway. Fortunately, thanks to the kindness of strangers, she met his owner. How do you get greeted after a long day of work? Look at this dog. His speed showed how deep his longing was for his owner.
Hello, I missed you. I missed you, buddy. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness. I think you peed on me a little bit.
Who is that?
Well, who is it?
Animals never lie about their love for the owners. Please love and protect animals to make your life more meaningful. Thanks for watching.